Good evening. I hope that you're having a wonderful Tuesday. Let's now take a look at the business news of the day. My name is Wairi Mujenga. Now, the county governments will receive 15 billion shillings more as equitable share revenue for the 2023-2024 financial year. This is after the National Assembly approved the Division of Revenue Bill 2023, which allocates 385 billion shillings to the devolved units. The 385 billion shillings allocated to counties is 23% of the 3.6 trillion shillings overall budget for the 2023-2024 financial year. Members of Parliament, through a report tabled by the Budget and Appropriation Committee, have proposed to increase county allocation from 370 billion shillings in the current financial year to 385 billion shillings in the next financial year, beginning July.
The money that we are giving our counties vertically accounts for around 23.3%, which is over and above the threshold of 15%, Mr. Speaker. That this is in addition to the other conditional grants that our counties receive.
A move that has been endorsed by members of Parliament who demanded accountability from the 47 governors.
I would like to ask the committee that any money that is sent to the counties through the National Assembly, the national government, the National Assembly, is given the law of oversighting.
Most of the money which goes to the county government goes to waste because of leakages, misuse of funds.
There is usually the temptation to allocate resources to areas where governors and people who are running their offices at the county level are able to get kickbacks. But we want to encourage them to invest money in more productive sectors.
This is an increase of 4% from the 370 billion shillings allocated in the 2022-2023 financial year.
We would like to urge Treasury to ensure that resources going to our counties are fast-tracked.
Reforms need to be put in place and instituted so that encouragement is given to the county governments to enhance revenue collection.
Commission on Revenue Allocation, CRA, had proposed to allocate 407 billion shillings to counties in the 2023-2024 financial year, but this was slashed by 22 billion shillings attributed to fiscal consolidation and austerity measures.
When the people who fought for devolution did not intend devolution to be a center of expenditure, they thought devolution was going to be a center of production and contributes towards the exchequer.
The 385 billion shillings allocated to counties is 13% of the 3.6 trillion shillings overall budget for the 2023-2024 financial year that will see the national government get 2.1 trillion shillings for the recurrent and development expenditure. Wairi Mujenga for Prime Edition.